Today we are going to start our new topic, cubes and cube roots. Cube and cube roots. In this topic, first of all, we will see what is meant by cube. Here, if we multiply a number by itself, if we multiply a number by itself 3 times, the product so obtained is called the perfect cube of that number, is called the perfect cube of that number. For example, if 2 is multiplied 3 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2, then its cube is 8, and therefore 8 is 2 cube, or 2 cube is 8. Here another example, that 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 27, and therefore it is 3 cube is 27. Again, a into a, that is equal to a cube. In this way, by multiplying the number itself 3 times, we can get the cube of that number. Now we have to see the second point, that is, there are only 10 perfect cubes from 1 to 1000. 1 to 1000. Here 1 cube means cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 or 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. In this way, from 1 to 1000, we have 10 perfect cube. That is perfect cube. 1 is perfect cube. 8 is perfect cube of 2. 27 is a perfect cube of 3. Then 64 is a perfect cube of 4. In this way, 1000 is perfect cube of 10. So these are the 10 perfect cubes from 1 to 1000. Now, our next point is cube of even numbers are even. Cube of even numbers are even, and cube of odd numbers are odd. If we check here, means even number 2 is even number, and its cube 8 is also even number, or 4 is even number, and its cube is 64. 64 is also an even number. We know that if the unit place digit of any number is a 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the number is even number. Here unit place is 4, then 64 is even. So if the 4 is even number, then its cube is also even number. Similarly, 10 is a even number, and its cube 1000 is also an even number. Now let us check for odd numbers. Here 1 is odd, and its cube is also 1 is odd, or 3 is odd, its cube 27 is also odd. Here 5 is odd, its cube is 125 odd. In this way, we have cube of even numbers are even, and those of odd numbers are odd. Now our next point is the cube of negative number is always negative. The cube of negative number is always negative. That is, for example, minus 2 cube is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Here minus 2 into minus 2, it will be 4 plus 4, and plus 4 into minus 2, again minus 8, because signs are not like sign, unlike signs are there. We will take one more example, that is minus 5 cube. Here minus 5 cube is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So minus 5 into minus 5, it will be 25, and 25 into minus 5, it will be again minus 25. In this way, the cube of negative number is always negative, and we know that cube of positive is always positive. Now we have to consider the next point, that is, if ones place digit of a number is a 0 or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9, then its cube will end in the same digit. Its cube will end in the same digit. For example, if we consider here 0, means ones place digit here is 1, means 11. Then its cube is 1331, and its unit place is again 1. Means both unit place of 11 as well as unit place of 1331 is 1. Here if we check unit place of 14, means 4 is given here, so 14. Then unit place of 14 is 4, and its cube is 2744. Its unit place is again 4. Then here 5 is given, so 15. If we consider 15 cube, 15 unit place of 15 is 5, and its unit place, that is cube of 3375, is 5. In this way, we get that if ones place digit of a number is 0 or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9, then its cube will end in the same digit. The next point is that if ones place digit of a number is 2, then the ending digit of its cube will be 8. Means if a number having units place digit 2, and if we find its cube, then it is seen that the ending digit of the cube is 8. So, and vice versa, means here 12, means unit place digit of 12 is 2, its cube is 1728, means its ending digit is 8. If we take vice versa, means 8, means unit place digit, number having units place digit 8, and if we find its cube, then we will get a number 5832 having unit place digit 2. Means if 2 is here, 8 is there. If 8 is there, 2 is there. In this way, if ones place digit of a number is 2, then the ending digit of its cube will be 8, and vice versa. Similarly, if ones place digit of a number is a 3, then the ending digit of its cube will be 7, and vice versa. Means, for example, 13 cube is there. Here unit place of 13 is 3, and its cube is 2197. That is 7 is unit place of 2197. Now 17 cube means if 3 is here, 7 is there. If 7 is here, 3 is there. Means vice versa. and here the symbol radical sign is given and 3 is given there, denotes the cube root of a number. For example, cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Cube root of 64 is equal to 4. Why? Because 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 cube is equal to 64. Means 4 cube is 64 and therefore cube root of 64 is 4. Or here 11 cube is 1331 and therefore cube root of 1331 is 11. In another one, if we consider 15 cube is 3375 and therefore cube root of 3375 is a 15. So here the values at right side, all these values are perfect cubes. Perfect cubes means cube of 3375 is a perfect cube and its cube root is 15. Now here we have to see finding a cube of 2-digit number. Finding a cube of 2-digit number. Here I have told you already that to find a cube of any number, we have to multiply the same number 3 times, then we will get its cube. Means here this is the very simple method, means multiplying the same number 3 times. Now we will see the second method of finding a cube of any number, that is we have to apply the identity, that is a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And by applying this identity we can find the cube of any 2-digit number. For example, here find cube of 32. Here we have to consider a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. So let a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there in this identity. 4 terms are there. So we have to make 4 columns here. Then in first column we have to write a cube. In second column it will be 3a square b. In third column there will be 3ab square, and in last column it is b cube. Now we know we have considered that a is equal to 3, so 3 cube. A cube means 3 cube. Then 3 as it is into a square means 3 square into b is 2. Then 3 as it is into a is 3 into b square is 2 square, and again b cube is 2 cube. Here 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, 4 into 3, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36. Then 2 into 3 square is 9 into 3 and 3 cube is 27. Write 27 as it is. Then 3 9s are 27, 27 2s are 54, 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 and 8 as it is. Then here 8 is only 1-digit number, so write as it is 8. Here unit plate digit 6, write in the write as it is and take 3 to the next previous column and add to it 54. 54 plus 3 it will be 57. Then write only 7 to below and take 5 to previous column and add to 27. 27 plus 5 it will be 32, and therefore 32, 7, 6 and 8 and therefore 32 cube is equal to, take 32, then 7, then 6 and 8, that is 32,768, which is the cube of 32. In this way we can find the cube of any 2-digit number by applying a plus b. Cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus